In this problem, we'll be looking at a greatest common factor. The problem asks us to find the GCF, which stands for greatest common factor, of 28x cubed and 48x to the 7th. In order to find this greatest common factor, we're going to need to factor the 28 and the 48. I can write 28x cubed, finding the prime factorization of 28 as 2 times 2 times 7, that's 4 times 7, which is 28, times x cubed. 48x to the 7th is 8 times 6, or 16 times 3. That's 4 factors of 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then that's multiplied by x to the 7th. Now, once these are written in this form, we can find the greatest common factor by looking separately at the 28 and 48 part and then at the variable part. Looking at the coefficients, we see that 28 and 48 both have 2 factors of 2. This pair of 2 is in common, and this pair is in common. So the greatest common factor is going to have 2 factors of 2. Nothing else is in common, so we can look at the variable part. X cubed and x to the 7th. We look at the smallest exponent of x, which is 3. The greatest common factor of x to the 3rd power and x to the 7th power will be x to the 3rd power. So we multiply these together and we have that the greatest common factor of 28x cubed and 48x to the 7th is 4x to the 3rd.